Hello everybody. Brian here. 12:25 East Standard Time, just after noon, June 4th. Okay, so we're going to talk about something I've just started learning about. A website called PriceActionLab.com. Now, I'm not affiliated with them. I do like what I'm seeing from this type of article that they put out. So this was updated earlier today, I guess. And they have a set of algorithms that do trading, and it's a subscription-based trading. Just so you know, for what I charge, theirs is a lot more. $525 for 3 months, and that's on sale. So I don't know, but that's in line with what I'm putting out there. Anyways, here's a market recap for May 31st to June 3rd. Okay, the reason I like this is because of the type of ETFs that they have. It's quite interesting that when I did the surveys back in January for what asset class to focus on, ETF by a long shot was the result. So here they cover Spider Gold Share, okay, iBox High Yield Corporate Bond, and this is like what I like about the strategy that I want to do, is that if you're on Interactive Brokers, you get access to so many ETFs, and they treat it like an equity, so the commission fees are somewhat low depending upon what you're buying. I still got more research, but this is way better to segment what is performing and what is fairly low cost. That's why ETFs are huge. So anyway, so they got here, the only one that's providing any form of profit, percent week, 3% year to date, 43.8%. RSI, we know about that, at 69.2 on a 14-day look back. Okay, so Invesco DB Commodity Index Trading, up 43.8% for the year. Pretty good. And they're using the RSI. I don't know what type of strategies they're using to get that, but that's pretty impressive. Everything else is negative. So we're looking at Spider Gold ETF down. They only got for the year to date 0.9%, 0.9%. Everything else is negative. Okay, I'm not going to go into the numbers, but you got here iShares iBox High Yield Corporate Bond. That's not good. iShares 7 and 10 year Treasury Bond. That's scary. That's negative. That shouldn't be negative, but that's how broken this whole economic system is. The Spider S&P 500, negative. Just so you know, it's down negative 13% year to date. Wow. iShares 20 plus Treasury Bond, negative down 21%. Wow. Vanguard FTSE All World, negative 10.9. So this is everything down. But again, that's I've given you the year to date. But those weekly returns are still negative. The only positive is this Invesco DB Commodity, 3%. So here's the highlights. Stocks fell. Commodities DBC gained 3% due to another rally in the energy sector. Now, here's what boggles my mind. All these gold bugs. Gold. TLT down. Negative 0.2%. Year to date, DBC is up 43.8%. And then TLT is down with a loss of 21%. There is something frickin' wrong here. Gold should be up. It's manipulated and suppressed. I've been saying that for a long time. Okay, but the commodities are doing why? Why? Because of inflation. So benefit from it when you're paying for your spaghetti or your bread. Okay, that's how you get back your money. Below is a weekly performance recap, including year-to-date in comparison to popular benchmarks. Mean reversion strategy. Okay, so I've talked about mean reversion. That's probably the only way you're going to make money, is mean reverting because of the volatility. Average performance with open positions 0.3%. 5 strategies, long, short, 0.2%. That's what I don't do. I only do long. Weekly view of change in the S&P 500 down, and everything's down, down year to date. These guys know what they're doing. So year to date, return of P15 mean reverting algo. Let's see what this algo is about. So trading strategies for sale. PS15 mean reverting algo, only $6,000. What platform is this in? So there's all a bunch of them, but this one's clearly the winner. PS15 mean reverting. 1400. Now I'd like to know what platform this is on, but whatever. We'll leave it at that. Sale for only professional traders and hedge funds. Alright, so they got something that could be a winner. They've proven it. So continuing along here. Okay, so here you go. Allocation. 20% will be allocated to the strategies, while 80% will be in cash. 3 strategies are out of market, long, short, and pause mode due to high volatility. I agree with that. Only momentum stock strategies have open positions. This is fascinating. This is fascinating how they do this. Stock market is near important pivot point, while low volatility and high dividend large cap stocks are holding well. Tech and high beta large cap stocks show signs of further deterioration. Now, okay, let me be straight up. Bloomberg, CNBC, they're just chatterboxes. If you follow a lot of the other crypto-related journalist sites, they're the same, and they're way off. But this kind of company, PriceActionLab.com, they're actually live trading, and they're giving you the results. And they're also giving you the outlook. Okay, so I would rather put more stock, more emphasis on relying on this paragraph than combined CNBC, FT, and Bloomberg, okay? Because it's straight up, they're live trading, and they're being probably upfront. So continuing along, no one knows how long this will resolve go on for. Forwarding robust strategies with discipline and strict risk management is one way of dealing with uncertainty, although no method guarantees success. So just saying that right here really legitimizes this kind of service. Okay, and especially when they underline it, because that is so true. We believe an 8% cash position acts as a tail risk hedge without the associated cost of those strategies. Very true. I never would think cash, but at the other end, cash is losing value, especially in the US dollar, if it's crashing. So you got to consider that as well. Inflation impacts the value of cash, but avoiding large is preferable to high risk positions. So that's already answered what I just said. So you're just minimizing your loss. If cash positions are reduced due to realized losses, then it'll be more difficult to recover losses due to inflation. Basic common sense, makes sense. So that's the highlight, and then they have, well, you can learn more by subscribing. Probably. Very good, very good. So I guess this guy's name is Michael Harris, but I do like this. Anyways, no harm in promoting others. Anyways, going on with what I do, I go beyond that, sharing how to preserve wealth, generate it, 2-hour video, watch it, quantlabs.net/banking. You can obviously fill in the form. All info is kept private. And from my point of view, like, share it, and subscribe to all that fun stuff on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.